Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Thanksgiving video, I want to show you guys how to draw another piece of food, and that is gravy. Now, I don't know about you, but I love gravy on everything when it comes to my Thanksgiving food. My turkey, my mashed potatoes, everything. So hope you guys get to follow along and enjoy this fun video today. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make a little line. It's going to curve around, it's going to go down, and then up. So we're going to make a little hook. Then I'm just going to go down, and then I'm slowly going to come up to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go up, and then it's going to curve around to here. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line. It's going to go right around here, and it's going to come back like this. I'm going to continue this line, and I'm going to make it go down. And then it's going to slowly curve up to here. Then I'm going to take this line, and I'm going to bring it down. And then just kind of slowly up, trying to follow the curve of this shape right here. Now for the handle, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that curves up. And it's going to come back down. And then I'm going to draw another line. It's going to curve around, and it's going to come right to here. Now down here, I'm going to draw two little lines at the bottom with a little curved line across. Then I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a little line that just goes around, and it's going to come up to here. Now, since this is kind of like cartoon gravy, I'm going to add a little face on here. So I'm going to make a nice circle shape right here for an eye, and then another circle shape right here. I'm going to put a black dot in each one. Little line across, and then a big smiley face for the mouth with a little tongue in there. And there you go. There is your drawing of some cartoon gravy. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.